Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cryptopolitan, your one-stop shop for all news when it comes to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. One thing I had hit on a lot is that the Cryptopolitan has all your news in easy to find sections, whether it's Bitcoin or altcoins, regulation, scams, meetups, all that. But one thing that Cryptopolitan has is um, coin analysis. We have people that do TA, and they go over that. It's updated constantly, and they talked to me and really want me to start putting out some content on that. Just so I'm going to do that a couple times a week if I think anything's interesting, um, and that it's should be brought up. So I'm your host Satoshi Sean. Glad you're here. Please hit the subscribe button if it's your first time here. If you're not subscribed, hit the bell for notifications. We try to get news reports out to you every day and a weekend report as well. I'll probably be doing price analysis and coin analysis a couple times a week now too. So, crush the like button, really helps us out. Let's head over to Cryptopolitan. I want to go over Bitcoin today um, because I think it's the most interesting right now. We are in some interesting times when it comes to markets. Uh, Me and my buddy, Kiss Crypto, we have a trading competition going on right now, which is we're just about to start up. We're very big in trading, very big in TA, and we have actually been hit pretty hard in the traditional markets more. Um, because and I know a lot of people say that Bitcoin follows traditional markets because it did when everything tanked, everything went down. Um, but I think something that people aren't really talking about is the difference in the two markets, because people always talk about is when it comes to currency, that fiat money is money of governments, cryptocurrency is money of the people, um, and I think that really comes out here when it comes to the markets and how they're reacting. Now, the stimulus package just really went through, and it's giving trillions of dollars to corporations, and it's giving money to people. But there is record unemployment in the United States. Like 3 million plus have filed this last weekend. So we're ready on Monday for everything to kind of tank. And I thought about it, and I talked to my buddy and I said, all these corporations are going to get all this money. He said, yeah, but it's record unemployment. Everything's uncertain. Everything's messed up. So we shorted and we got out because we were losing money. The market took off because I think that the market reflects the sentiment of Wall Street and of business, not of people. Whereas when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto, it is a much more of a, as far as what the sentiment of what the people are feeling and what they're doing. Um, like gold, it's where people, and that's why these things are looked upon as a store of value. So Bitcoin it dropped when all the stocks dropped, and that did look like a correlation, but I think it's just because there was uncertainty on both sides, and it has not skyrocketed over the past couple days like the uh, like the stock market has. And Peter Schiff was being a Peter Schiff dick, and was pointing all that out, about how it's uncoupled, that it's not really a store of value. But I think it has stayed solid and has went up much more gradually, um, because it's not being injected with a bunch of fake money and propped up by the Fed and propped up by the government. Um, I think this is where we see the difference, um, in the quality of the investment, the quality of the asset. That's just my opinion on what's going on. But I think that we're going to be seeing this a lot more down the road, when all this money that's printed up starts screwing up the economy, starts screwing up these more legacy institutions. Bitcoin is really going to shine through. Um, That's just what I think is coming. So the analysis is that a Bitcoin price could drop to 2,400 still possible. I don't really think so, but we'll go over it. This analysis is done by the Moon, or the Moon Coral. The Moon's a different guy on YouTube, but the Moon Coral, he did predict March 12th Bitcoin movement. No, okay. So I looked at his chart, and basically says if we drop below this this trend line, we're going to go down. We have tested this hard. We have actually dropped below it. On the 4 hour, we went down to, I think it's like 6,500, 6,455. So we've hit it, but we have rebounded and stayed above it. But we tested it. We really did go below it, man. I mean, this is 6,600. We went decently below it here. But we really more tested it than broke through. I don't think we're going down to the 3,000 mark. I don't think we're dropping that low. I don't think we're going to go below 6,000, but we could. Everything is very, very unsure right now. But I think that we're moving back up, and there's a lot of other signs that are showing that. I'm pretty bullish as far as Bitcoin goes right now. I think we're going to fluctuate in this area for a while, maybe till the end of the month, beginning of next month. But that is just my opinion. You now have the opinion of the Moon Carl and Satoshi Sean. That's about it for today. I'll see you guys in the next news video. Take care.